Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I have a package here from Your Creative Studio. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what's in here. So here we go. This is what it looks like. Your Creative Studio, the thank you. So I'm guessing since it said flower here, this is a floral card. It's probably floral themed. So let's see what's in here. Let's go ahead and take everything out. Ooh. Oh. Get quite a bit. Okay, set the box aside. Let's start here. We got some floral die cuts, paper ephemera. Should I be opening this up? Let's see. Let's take a few out. Okay, so they're not overly heavy and glossy like some ephemera. They're a good cardstock weight, and yeah, they have that vintage look to them. So that is the florals, the die cut flowers. Then I'm pretty sure this is probably rice paper. I'm not going to take it out, but I think you get quite a few sheets with this, and I'll link to Your Creative Studio in the description box below if you want to go check them out. I need to make ephemera, so I'm maybe using some of this to do that. Yeah, so this is, I'm pretty sure it's rice paper, and you can use it for decoupage and other things. It's very thin. I think the last one I got had 8 sheets in there, so I'm guessing it's probably 8 in there. This is more ephemera, I think. Yes, paper ephemera. These are like journal cards, I think. Different sizes. Oh no, they're actually paper. So collage papers, maybe. It's a mixture of things. So we got cards, we got collage papers, we got vellum. Paper. This is vellum. So, different options. Okay. Some cardstock paper and vellum pieces. Just put that back in there. Then, let's go with this. What are these? They look like little cards. Let's open this up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a variety of different things too. So we got some vellum pieces. Let's see, I need something white to place these on. So some vellums. I think I got it backwards. Yeah. And then this one. So those are all vellum, and I guess these are printed ads. Yep. Again on paper. So you can use them in collage. Then, what are these? I think these are like vellum clear stickers. Let's see. Yes. So you can use these for layering, collage. Okay. So it's a bunch of different designs here. Some mimic what we've already looked at. Let's put it on the white paper. I think it shows up better. Tickets, signs, maps, ads. It's another ticket. So just a variety of different ads, tickets, maps, ephemera, basically. But this it's on a translucent vellum look sticker. So you can kind of see through it, but not completely. And there's a bunch of them. Okay, so let's put these back. That's what was in the box. And then got another box here. Let's see what these are. Post box. So a flower moon is what this says. Post box should give me a clue. It's got postage style floral stickers in here. So that's what they look like. Just a variety of them, but they are stickers. I can tell by the feel of the edge. I can kind of feel the adhesive. So see, and it's got that translucent washi tape. So it's like a washi tape sticker, really. It's got that washi tape feel. Okay, so that was another one done. Then we have the stickers, floral sticker. This is clear. Let's see. Before we get to the packages, let's finish this other stuff. So this is classic special paper. That's basically all it tells me. So what are these? I think these are stickers of some sort too. Yes. So we got labels, tickets, or a poster about tickets. I think these are lots of labels and tiny little tags. More ads and tickets. So a variety of things. Labels, tickets, and ads. Okay. So that is everything there. It's all got like a green tone to it. Okay, so there's that one. Then this is a lot in this box. Wow. This one. Oh, I don't need this. Let's see if it gives me any hints on the packaging. No. So let's toss that. It's got a nice vellum envelope. Let's just take some out, see what we got. So this looks like ephemera too. Let's see if it's a sticker style. Yes, it is. It is a sticker. It is not see-through. It's pretty heavy duty. Very nice quality. So you got postcard here. Some flowers, butterflies. Looks like you get 2 of each design, maybe. More postcards and flowers. Okay. Let's see what the other ones look like. Well, most of them. So very similar. Circles. More organic look paper. So different shapes and styles. Okay. So all of that is more sticker backed ephemera or self-adhesive ephemera. I like that envelope. Then we have these floral stickers, clear. And this is a thank you. What are these? Is this note paper maybe? Okay, I'm just thinking, okay, what am I gonna make with all of this? Working on ideas. Oh, this is acetate. Looks better on this paper. And then like, I don't know what kind of paper this is, a really, really thin paper. You could probably decoupage with it, maybe, and these are letters. It's very thin and wispy. So it's vintage letters. Okay, just looking at them. Those are cool. Then let's open the envelopes. I really love these little envelopes. So this one is a stamp. And it is a floral design. Hopefully you can see that. This one is washi. Ooh. It's got red roses, or I think those are roses on it. It's got a vintage look to it also. And then this is another cling stamp. Ooh, there's 3 of them in here. So these are more florals. This is a floral on a script. And this is a floral alone. So that is everything from the Your Creative Studio box. Don't forget to go over and check out Your Creative Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.